Hey everyone, Philip here. Today I have a quick tip for all of you who have a website. Your website speed is important, as you know, it affects user experience and SEO. One great tool you can use it GTmetrix. I've just used it for my older website. GTmetrix checks how fast your site loads. It shows you what's slowing your site down and how to fix it, right? So you can see example of testing. I will show you how it goes. You just enter your website link. I will do it again now here. So basically, I just type my domain and full website and click analyze, right? It's free and easy to use. Give it a try and see how your site is performing. Once I clicked analyze, I will see the results soon here. Let me show you. So I just typed in the field my website and I'm waiting now the results. As you can see, this website, this is my older website. It has GTmetrix grade A, so it's it's pretty good. Yeah. Here are other parameters, but for now we are talking about website speed, right? This is it for now. Hope you find value. Subscribe to my channel if you want to hear more topics like this. Thank you. Bye.